Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel TKF Electronics. So today we will see how to upgrade to latest firmware version in Pioneer CDJ-350 model. So just watch how to upgrade. So we have to get it download from the website of Pioneer, and in pen drive we have to copy that files. Then we have to download in Pioneer CDJ-350. So we'll see this all. So guys, how to upload firmware CDJ firmware for CDJ Pioneer 350 player? First go to the Pioneer website and download CD350 firmware. So this is the link over here. So after that downloading, you will get the folder like this. So just copy that, extract it from that folder, and you will get like this. So I have already uploaded, I have already extracted file. This is the file. Copy this file in your pen drive. Copy this file in your pen drive, this file. So then we'll update it in Pioneer player. Just have a look on that how it is. So guys, now as you know, we are going to upgrade this Pioneer 350 with the new firmware, latest firmware. So let's check out first which version is there in old version. We'll check which is the old version. So for that, put it on, keep back and display together, keep rotating. So 1.1, see, this is the version 1.1. So now what we'll do, we'll upgrade with the latest version which we have already uploaded in our USB from the Pioneer website. So we'll put it off first. So now keep pressing USB and reloop exit to and put it on, showing update. So we'll insert this. See, it is going upgrading. See, it is downloading the new version 1.14. This is how we can download and the new version in Pioneer 350 player. So wait till it will take few minutes only. So it's uploading. See, it's downloading the new version. So it's completed. So now put it off first. So remove out the pen drive. So again put it on. See, now we'll check our new version is there or not. See guys, before it was 1.13, now it is 1.14. So like this, you have to upgrade with the latest version in Pioneer CDJ-350 player. Thank you very much guys for watching my video. Like it, share it, and if you have any comments, please leave in the comment box. Take care, bye bye.